Welcome everyone to my first open course, Electrical Engineering for All. My name is Ognjen Grozdanovic and I will try to explain as best as I can electrical engineering. First of all, as you can see, my English is not that great because my native tongue isn't English, but I think you can understand me, and if I spell something wrong, please don't be hurtful to me, because it's not my native language. Okay, the basic concept of electrical engineering is electric energy. How can we store electric energy? How can we transfer it? What can we do with it? How can we maintain it? How can we convert it in other types of energy? How can we get from another types of energy, and so on and so on. And the definition of electric energy is here. Electric energy is the energy produced by electricity. That is the most noble kind of energy we have today. We can do a lot of great things with it, and it is easier to transport it rather than other types of energy, mechanical, heat, chemical. You can transfer electric energy through miles of wires, and it has a lot. It doesn't have much losses when you transport it miles and miles or kilometers away. So, for example, if you transfer heat from one city to other, you have a lot of losses, so it's better not to transfer heat from one place to the other, because you have huge losses. So the best and the most economical energy we have is electrical energy. We can convert electrical energies into other types of energy. For example, heat. When you turn the oven on, you have heat, but you have to put the oven in your electrical power supply, so you can turn the oven on. Lights, for example, light bulb. When you turn the switch on, you have a light bulb. In later my lectures, I will explain how light works. You can have magnetism. You can have mechanical energy, for example, motors. You can have chemical energy, battery, sound, siren. Also, we can get electrical energies from other types of energy that we call power sources. If we electrical engineers, when we want to convert some kind of energy into electrical energy, we call those energies power sources. And we have two types of power sources: renewable, sun, tides, wind, water, and we have non-renewable: internal heat in the ground, nuclear energy, and fossil fuels. I forgot how you pronounce fossil fuels. Is it fossil or fossil? I don't know. In my language, it's fossil. Okay, and mainly we use water and fuel, fossil fuels, and I'm going to paint how electrical energy is made and how it is transferred throughout cities and kilometers of wires. I'm not going to explain the principle of working, but today in this course, but I'm gonna show you the basic what is happening. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove this text, so you can pause the video clip. You can write all this down if you want. It's your choice. And now I'm gonna remove all this text, because I need space to. Okay, so now you have a river that is moving. All rivers move, and they produce mechanical energy. So we have a river, and you connect a turbine on that river. I don't know how it looks like. I know how it looks, but I don't know how to paint it. So this is for example turbine, and this here is a moving river. Now, because the river is moving and the turbine will then produce mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. So when you have mechanical energy, you can from mechanical energy you can convert it into electrical energy using generators. Generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Motor is a machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So you have two, wires that are connected on the generator. Later on I will explain the principle working of a generator. So you have a generator and it produces an electric energy. Now, because the generator produces electric energy, so you have two wires. Okay, you will later learn what is the three-phase system, but let's say you have two wires now, and they go throughout cities, villages, and all that. So you have electricity going through here. Now you can put the iron on these wires and you will have electric current. Later on I will explain why you put one needle on here, this side, and one on this side. So you have, an iron, so here you have an iron and that produces heat. Now you can have a light bulb here and light bulb, and it produces light. So now you can have chemical energy. When you put electrical energy into batteries, you get chemical energy. So batteries plus minus, battery, chemical energy. You can put a siren. I don't know how to paint a siren. Just imagine this is a siren. I'm really sorry. And you can have sound energy, and you can have magnetism and some mechanical energy. So this is the basic part of electrical engineering. Later on I'm gonna show you the structure of matter, the ionization, the conductors, electric current, electric charge. So this was some kind of an intro. Thank you for watching, and please click like or subscribe to help me. See you in the next video.